and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about a women's exclusive Nike Dunk Low in the college navy colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave me comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So be sure to check out all those Shade items on our site after this video. All right, so as mentioned earlier, this shoe, I know you're probably thinking, like, did this just come out? No, it did come out in March. I just have been maybe a few months backed up in shoes, so I'm not complaining. It's not a bad thing, but we're going to be pumping literally content out left and right just to kind of get back on track with our regular weekly releases. But of course, this was an amazing release that happened for a women's exclusive this year. So we're going to be doing the overview on the college navy color scheme, talk about the size and fit, followed by how I styled this shoe, and then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump into this overview, talk about this beautiful college navy colorway that I am absolutely in love with. I think it goes amazing with the light gray hues in this. We've got that nice crisp toe box that is accented perfectly with the college navy color scheme. Working our way up, they've matched that college navy color with the mesh, sorry, not mesh, nylon, as I feel the texture, tongue that we've got here. On the top of the logo box, we've got more accents, but just in a subtle red hue with some nice pearlescent white behind that to make that red pop. Then we've got some nice shiny metallic silver laces, and this is actually kind of a satiny feeling that I'm getting on this lace, which is quite nice. It's different. And then we also have an additional lace in the white color scheme. So if you're not feeling the gray, you can also mix and match with the white laces instead. So let's take a quick look at those details and then move on to the side panels. On to the side panels, we've got those nice underlays in the college navy color scheme, and then we've got some nice overlays in this crisp, just nicely accented light gray on the swoosh mark that makes its way to the back of the heel counter. We've got the accented red embroidered Nike logo on the back here that really pops off of that light gray. Working our way to the inside of the shoe, we've then got this nice kind of satin material for the collar, and I think that really just gives it a little something that's different. It's sheen, it's classy, and it actually matches the laces quite perfectly. The insole is in a gray color scheme with a Nike swoosh mark in red, and as we work our way to the other side, again, we've got those underlays underlays of the college navy and overlays of the light gray, and a crisp white midsole, finished off with a translucent clear outsole. All right, let's look at those last and final details. Moving on to sizing, I am a women's size 9. Again, this was a women's exclusive, so it was in women's sizing. That is equivalent to a men's size 7.5. I do have narrow, high arch feet, so if you do have wider, flat feet, it may differentiate what size works best for you. I also do tend to wear thicker socks with my shoes, and I do like to have a little bit of extra space in that toe region. So if you do like to wear your shoes on a tighter kind of side, that may differentiate what shoe size will work best for you as well. But if you do have a foot that's similar to mine, I would recommend sticking true to size on this one. All right, so let's move into styling. I had so much fun styling the shoe. I really wanted to bring again some more accents out with this navy color scheme. So for the first look, I decided to wear just a nice gray tank top that matched the light gray hues in the shoe. And I really wanted to accent that navy with my hat. So I wore a Crusher hat that's a North Face Brain Dead collab. And that navy just really worked quite perfectly with the accents in this shoe. I then paired that with some biker shorts and a lighter denim kind of color scheme. I do think lots of different light blues work well with this. You don't have to be too matchy-matchy, but that's where I kind of wanted to bring that colorway and my hat to accent the shoe in the first look.
I knew you knew what I thought. Did you leave or not? You said that you meant to, but you forgot, and I never saw it coming. Should have been so easy, but I feel incomplete thinking about you. Yeah. And I would just let you be, but I consistently think about you. Think about you. I know you're keeping secrets, hoping that I won't see this before.
For the second look, I decided to, bring a little more dressiness to this. So I wanted to wear just a simple denim skirt, and I paired that with a plain, just navy t-shirt. I love wearing navy tees, and I think that the navy accent in that tee just, again, really matched this quite well.
For whatever reason, I think I like it. Feels like there's something missing. At least there's something different, and I can't help this feeling. I think I like it. I think I like it. I think I like it. You're a mystery. History to you, but girl is new to me.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear a tie-dye dress, and it had more of a black and kind of dark navy color scheme to it with gray hues. I love bringing patterns to some of my looks that I like to show variety with. So I think for this one, the tie-dye was just a nice fun print to play with that I think just kind of matched this to a T.
I wish that I could see it happen naturally, but I never saw it coming, baby. I never guessed that we could get this far. Well, honestly, I really don't know where we are, and would it be less fun if it was less bizarre? Cause we never saw it coming. Should have been so easy, but I feel incomplete thinking about you. Yeah. And I would just let you be, but I consistently think about you. Oh, baby, do you think about it too? I know you're keeping secrets, hoping that I won't see this, but for whatever reason,
So you let me know out of those 3 outfits, what was your favorite, or how would you style these shoes?
Unapologetic, and we came to run this. I think I get it now. light a fire, I'm a sage, negativity. Yeah, I can do it, don't need you to watch me. Cause your doubt is like a virus, keep it 6 feet. Watch me how I do it, I can sing like a pop star. Watch me how I do it, I can sing it like a pop star. Watch me how I work, making moves like the Carters. I'ma work, I'ma put my ass to work. Cruising through the city with the top down, what's up? I ain't got no titties, but my butt's like, what's up? We included while you feed on gossip. Unapologetic and we came to run this. I think I get it now, see it clearly now. I see it, I think I get it, we the shit now. I think I get it now, see it clearly now. I think I get it, we the shit now. Took me a minute, but I'm back again. You got lies, fake news, okay, Michael Flynn. But like the lightning in a hurricane, you can't stop me, you just gotta make it through the rain. Watch me how I do it, making money like a banker. Watch me how I do it, making money like a banker. If you wanna catch me, you gon' need to find a trainer. Gotta put your ass to work. Cruising through the city with the top down, what's up? I ain't got no titties, but my butt's like, what's up? We included while you feed on gossip. Unapologetic and we came to run this. I think I get it now, see it clearly now. I think I get it, we the shit now. I think I get it now, see it clearly now. I think I get it.
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So again, Dunks kill it by selling for a retail price point of $100. These are currently, depending on what size you are, going between $165 to $300. The larger sizes obviously are doing a little bit better since this was a women's exclusive and those larger sizes were a little bit more limited, which makes sense. And this is just a great colorway to wear all year round, and definitely happy to have added this to my collection. All right, so that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to leave us any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.